Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will share our unboxing and quick installation of Atomberg Intellon Water Purifier. So let's check it out. We got this from Amazon. We will share the product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you are interested. This is the latest product from Atomberg, the Atomberg Intellon Water Purifier. It is packed with several cool features, but only time can tell how good it is overall. I will unbox this quickly now and we will see what and all we have inside. So inside the big box, we have the small box and these are the items we have inside. We have the screw set and all these wall mounting sticker, etc. You can have a look. So inside this, we have the Atomberg Intellon Water Purifier. Let me take this out real quick. You can see the Atomberg Intellon Water Purifier here. This is the one. It is definitely quite big than I imagined. As you can see, this is the back side. So overall the product looks good. It feels strong, but I have a minor issue with the water tap. It somewhat feels weak. I don't know, it somewhat feels like that. I can only tell after the installation. So please wait for our full review. Now let me put this back and wait for the Atomberg technician to come. Let me unbox this as well and I'll keep them here. Okay, that's all. We already got a call from Atomberg support team once we placed the order on Amazon, but during that time we didn't receive the purifier to schedule any installation. So if we want to manually do this, we can try this via Atomberg support number, email, WhatsApp and also their Atomberg home app. We used the app to request the installation. Hopefully the technician will come tomorrow. We will try to record that installation thing and we will share that next. So the technician came and completed the installation. I tried my best to record the video without disturbing him. Let me remove this. Super. So we will use this device for a few days and share our thoughts. We will publish a full review about this. Please do subscribe to get notified about that. So this is our quick unboxing and installation video of Atomberg Intellon Water Purifier. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.